Ah, the frozen chocolate soda. A timeless classic, this frosty delight has tantalized taste buds since the 1940s. Imagine, if you will, a sweltering summer day. The sun beats down and you long for a refreshing treat. Enter the frozen chocolate soda, a glorious concoction of ice-cold milk, rich chocolate syrup, and a generous scoop of vanilla ice cream, all topped off with a spritz of bubbly soda. Pure bliss. Today, we're putting a modern spin on this beloved classic with our very own Bubble Busters soda slushie. This recipe takes inspiration from the traditional soda fountain favorite, but incorporates the fizzy fun of Bubble Busters soda for a unique twist. Get ready to embark on a flavor adventure that combines nostalgia with a touch of modern pizzazz. Before we embark on our slushie making journey, let's take a moment to gather everything we need. It's always best to have all your culinary tools and ingredients laid out and ready to go. This not only makes the process smoother, but also ensures you don't miss any crucial steps. Fear not, for this recipe requires no obscure ingredients or fancy equipment. Everything you need is likely already in your kitchen, making this a convenient and fun activity. In fact, you probably already have everything you need in your kitchen. Let's start with the ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need 1 can of your favorite Bubble Busters soda flavor. We recommend classic cola for a true soda fountain experience, but feel free to choose any flavor you love. Next, you'll need 2 tablespoons of rich, decadent chocolate syrup. This adds a delightful sweetness and depth to your slushie. Feel free to adjust the amount to suit your taste. 1 cup of creamy vanilla ice cream is essential for that smooth, luscious texture. You can also experiment with other flavors if you're feeling adventurous. And of course, 2 cups of ice. The more ice you use, the slushier the consistency will be. This is what gives our slushie its signature frosty texture. Now, let's talk about the tools. First and foremost, you'll need a blender. This is crucial for crushing the ice and blending all the ingredients to perfection. A tall glass is also important. Not only does it showcase your masterpiece, but it also holds the perfect amount of slushie for a refreshing treat. Lastly, measuring cups and spoons are essential for precision. This ensures that each ingredient is added in the right amount, giving you the perfect balance of flavors. Now that we have our ingredients and equipment prepped and ready, we can move on to the fun part. Let's dive into the exciting process of creating our Bubble Buster slushie. Get ready to blend, mix, and enjoy a delicious homemade treat. Alright folks, it's time to get our hands dirty, or rather, icy cold. Today, we're diving into the art of making the perfect Bubble Buster slushie. Whether you're a seasoned slushie enthusiast or a newbie looking to cool down on a hot day, this guide is for you. This is where the magic happens. Your kitchen counter is about to become a slushie laboratory, and you, the master mixologist. Follow these simple steps, and you'll be sipping your very own Bubble Buster slushie in no time. Trust me, it's easier than you think and way more fun. Step 1. Prep the flavor base. Start by popping open that can of Bubble Buster soda and giving it a good pour into your trusty blender. The soda is the heart of your slushie, providing that fizzy, sweet foundation. Next, drizzle in your desired amount of chocolate syrup. This adds a rich, decadent twist to your slushie. Remember, this is your slushie, so feel free to adjust the sweetness to your liking. Want it extra chocolatey? Go ahead, add a bit more. Step 2. The creamy swirl. Now for the star of the show, the ice cream. This is what gives your slushie that creamy, dreamy texture. Scoop a generous cup of that creamy vanilla goodness into the blender. The more the merrier. If you're feeling adventurous, experiment with different flavors. Strawberry, chocolate chip cookie dough, the possibilities are endless. Each flavor brings its own unique twist to your slushie. Step 3. Ice, ice, baby. Lastly, add your ice to the blender. This is what transforms your mixture into a slushie. Remember, the more ice you use, the thicker and slushier your drink will be. If you like it super thick, don't be shy with the ice. Aim for a good 2 cups for that perfect, frosty texture. This amount usually hits the sweet spot for most slushie lovers. Step 4. Blend it like Beckham. Now, for the grand finale. This is where all your ingredients come together in a symphony of flavors. Pop that blender lid on tight and blitz everything together until smooth and well combined. Make sure to blend it long enough to get that perfect consistency. You'll know it's ready when you hear that satisfying whirring sound of perfectly blended slushy goodness. Pour it into your favorite glass, add a straw, and enjoy. Section 4. Unleash your inner mixologist, customizing your frosty concoction. This is where the magic happens, and you get to put your personal touch on your Frosty creation. Congratulations, you've officially made a Bubble Buster slushie. But why stop there? Let's take it up a notch. But the fun doesn't stop there. The possibilities are endless when it comes to customizing your slushie. This recipe is a blank canvas for your creativity. Think of it as an art project where you can mix and match flavors and toppings to your heart's content. Let's explore some fun and flavorful customization options. From syrups to sprinkles, the choices are vast. Flavor fusion. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavors of Bubble Buster soda. Mix and match to find your perfect combination. Try cherry for a nostalgic touch, bringing back memories of classic soda fountains, or go wild with watermelon for a summery twist that's refreshing and fun. Topping extravaganza. Take your slushie to the next level with delicious toppings, the more the merrier. Whipped cream and rainbow sprinkles scream party time, adding a burst of color and fun to your drink, while a drizzle of chocolate syrup adds an extra touch of decadence. Perfect for those with a sweet tooth. Adult-only indulgence. For a more grown-up treat, why not add a little something extra? Consider adding a splash of your favorite liqueur. It's a simple way to elevate your slushie. Coffee liqueur adds a sophisticated touch, perfect for coffee lovers looking for a unique twist, while Irish cream creates a creamy, dreamy delight. Remember folks, enjoy responsibly your slushie, your rules, have fun, and get creative. Section 5. Presentation is key. Serving your masterpiece. You've put in the effort, now it's time to present your creation with pride. Choose a tall chilled glass that shows off the vibrant colors and tempting texture of your Bubble Buster slushie. Carefully pour the slushie into the glass, ensuring to capture all those icy chunks. Now for the finishing touches. Add your chosen toppings, a swirl of whipped cream, a sprinkle of colorful sprinkles, or a drizzle of chocolate syrup. And for the final flourish, why not crown your creation with a bright red cherry? Section 6. Sharing the sweet success. Spreading the Bubble Buster joy. What's better than enjoying a delicious Bubble Buster slushie? Sharing it with friends and family, of course. This recipe is perfect for parties, picnics, or simply a fun treat on a warm afternoon. Snap a photo of your masterpiece and share it with the world. Use the hashtag #BubbleBusterSlushie to connect with fellow slushie enthusiasts and inspire others to create their own Frosty concoctions. Section 7. Until next time, exploring a world of flavor. Congratulations, my fellow food adventurers. You've successfully navigated the wonderful world of Bubble Buster slushie making, but this is just the beginning. Don't be afraid to experiment, get creative, and most importantly, have fun in the kitchen. There's a whole world of flavors out there waiting to be discovered, so go forth, explore, and create your own signature slushie masterpieces. Until next time, happy blending.